I've been noticing that we get a lot of people wanting to know more about flat feet, and so I'm going to tell you just a little bit more about flat feet and how orthotics can help. Typically, it's mostly a genetic thing as far as whether or not you have a big arch in your foot or flat feet. An arch in your foot helps to kind of give you a little bit of a springboard, you know, when you're running and when you're doing anything with athletics. And again, some people, especially in adolescence and stuff, they'll feel a burning on their feet, and it's stretching that fascia, and eventually it becomes more of a flat foot. And so a lot of people are concerned about, well, I got flat feet, and everyone says that's a bad thing. It's not totally a bad thing. We're not with orthotics. We're not going to create some high arch in your foot and reconstruct that. That's not gonna happen. But what we are going to do is we're going to mold that foot to where you have the maximum amount of arch for your foot, and that will give you a little bit more of a spring. When you're doing anything with athletics or running or in your day-to-day activities, if you're on your feet all day long and you're on the concrete and that is getting stretched even harder and flatter and you're having pain, this will in most cases stop the pain, and it'll give you proper biomechanics, because if you think about the mechanics of this, if your arch support falls, then your knees bend at a different angle, your hips are at a different angle, and so you have ankle, knee pain, hip pain, so on and so forth. So if we can bring that back up and we get those angles just right, and as it comes all the way up to the hips and lower back, you're going to have much less pain. So if flat feet is one of the reasons that you're viewing the videos that we've posted, then orthotics will most definitely help you. And so just call us 816-228-5522.